So hello, I'm back after losing two fundeds. That shit fucking sucked. I don't even really want to be recording here, but I'm not doing it for anybody else. I'm doing it for myself. So please stop fucking looking at me like that. Um, yeah, but yeah. So one thing I'm finding, right? I was ChatGPTing all this shit. Oh my god, still want to be here. Shit. But all right, we've been here. One. Oh my fucking goodness. All right, bro. Can we come back? So one. Oh, oh wait, I gotta stop cursing because. All right, we've been here. Okay, that's one. We have been in this predicament where price absolutely wrecks us, claps our cheeks, and we ain't got nothing to show for it. But I think the one issue that I've always had in my trading, one issue that I've always had is premature entries. This because sometimes I see entry. This is premature. Yeah, this is premature. Ain't do nothing. I may have to do some back testing tonight. May trade Asian session. But as you can see, this is premature. Why? I guess display. I'm gonna have to go. ChatGPT said a whole bunch of buffoonery. 1 minute sweeps, harvest stops. I don't even really look for all that. Before that even happens, I bet you I'll find displacement. Or no. After all that happens, displacement. So either way, I'm ending off with displacement. So I might as well look for displacement. The only thing is there's probably fake displacement. Where to not find fake displacement? It's simple. Just go on the 2 minute. See, the one thing that I do is that I enter off EMA breakage on the 1 minute. I like to love to pair that up with my 1 minute break of structure. And I did that here. But the thing is, one thing that I've always been told is the 1 minute is a bunch of noise. The 1 minute is a bunch of noise. So, go to the next time frame. Look at that. No EMAs have been touched. Nothing has been touched. You may see a break of structure here. You may see that. And maybe it's easier to enter off a break of structure. Probably. But like, boom. You feel me? EMA breakage. I'd say the 2 minute may just be my entry point. Obviously, if the EMAs are not broken above, so what? But I feel like if we're going into a strong uptrend, but I know eventually we're gonna have to come back down, the EMA breakage is definitely the way to go. It's a lot of complication. I don't want to complicate my shit. Okay. Damn. I'm thinking because I know a simple. I know an exact example of where I entered off of this right here. Didn't even break above the EMA. Really just pooping, pooping, pooping. I guess we have more draws on liquidity, right? Yeah, we have more draws on liquidity. Just pooping, 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 pooping. So I mean, I might as well. There is no point of waiting for EMA breakage. I mean, you can get on the 1 minute. But truth is, these drops like these, you should be capitalized, basically. Because at the end of the day, we're going off of displacement, or I mean, we're going back up and down off of imbalances, right? Liquidity sweeps too. We're looking for liquidity sweeps and demand zones or whatever they call it. But so I guess right here, I wouldn't really be trying to look for anything but a short to go down there. And we're so far from it that I could probably just get in between. So I don't really need to wait for EMA breakage. But it honestly depends on your situation. Like, I know when I hop in the market, I'm already in tune with the market. Like, nothing else is I already know what's going on. So if I see that right here, right? If I see that we sweep liquidity and this liquidity was in a fair value gap, we sweep it. We're at 930. We're what? 9:34. We react. Boom. Shoot up. I know exactly where we want to go. We're so close to it. We want to go to that 1 hour gap. I could just took a little scalp, $1,000, or I could took it to the midpoint if I'm a risky fuck. Honestly, the midpoint was probably better. But anyways, that would have been my one trade. Then two, we come up here. Hopefully I'm not cursing. I keep forgetting if I'm cursing. YouTube will delete my channel anyways. But we come up here, 1 hour midpoint, and this is where the 2 minute is very much needed because the 1 minute is always lying to me. The 1 minute is always lying to me. It's not even like people probably know this. I probably just am dumb. But matter of fact, what do I find cleaner? Simple. As long as we don't have a bunch of gaps down here, like a bunch of really strong profitable gaps, and price action is showing bearish sign, the safer option for me is to simply just, I like being in safe trades. And I know if I'm in displacement, even if I full port, I'm good. Okay. I think the issue with me is that I'll be in the right trade, but I'll have 1 mini in because I'm not going more than 1 mini. I'm not going less than 1 mini. I believe that combines, these prop firms are meant to be rinsed and repeated. I've done it. The only issue is now I've definitely forgot how to do it. I'm kidding. But literally like this. Strong bearish candle. I'm in right here. EMA breakage on the 2 minute. Well, we take a dump. And it also depends on how many draws and liquidity you have. Like I knew at some point we needed to come down here. It's not like I wouldn't take this if I knew that we were gonna go into a 15-minute gap, a 30-minute gap. Like I know that we have more draws and liquidity down here. And what do you know? Boom, shoot up. Draw and liquidity. Now, of course, the 2 minute EMA. You wait for it to break. Boom, comes up here. And then we dump. Bro. Not again, bro. Oh my god. Bro, how did this happen, bro? Okay, alright, thank you. But yeah, basically, I think from now on, I'm going to be on the 2 minute instead of the 1 minute. I think that's the move for me. I think my trades, I more so like to be safe. Like if I see the 1 minute and the 2 minute not even correlating whatsoever, not gonna trade it. Not gonna take it. I'm gonna have to back test this later, but I believe the 2 minute may be my cup of tea. I paired up with the EMA for my entries, not for nothing else, just my entries. But we're gonna see. That is just documentation. Thank you. I'm clear.